Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Elite Design Studio. Welcome to the Design Studio. So today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to create this poster that I did for Fashion Fancy Boutique. So what you want to do first is we're going to take the dimensions. So here are the dimensions of the photo. Then you open your Photoshop, click to new file. Then we're going to take these exact dimensions that I took here. Okay, so dimension 668. So we will input that 668. Say to pixels, make sure you set this to pixels. Then the height is 840. And now we can just leave the rest like that. Then you can put black or white, doesn't really matter. Then we're gonna click on create. So now we have our ground here. So what you're gonna do is I have linked this folder in the description down below, so you can just go and download it. So we're gonna take this background right here. Just adjust this a little bit. Alright, just like that. Okay, so just gonna put this here as a reference. Okay, right, just gonna do this. Just gonna create an artboard here by the side to input that image so that we can take everything down as it is. So design picture. Okay, all right, there it is. So we're just gonna copy everything there. So first of all, I want you to do this. I want you to take these lines, put it right here above there. Take another one, put it below there. These will be the guidelines we will be using. Take another one, put it over here, so we can stick within these boundaries. Okay, right over there. Okay, take another one, put it here. For the text, you can always remove this by shortcutting Control and the button next to the L on your right side. Okay, so first of all, we're going to make this white rectangle here. We're going to take your rectangle tool, I hope you're following along. Take your rectangle tool, turn to color white, then just do this right here like this. Okay, alright, just cancel this. Okay, then we're going to invert it like this, a little bit like this, then increase the size, just increase the size, and okay. Okay, still within the bounds. Okay, so I just moved this to the left side because I prefer there. So now what you're going to do is going to create this rectangle here. Take a rectangle tool, just do like this. And okay, it's going to be white. Then just gonna rotate this a little bit like that, the space, and then some above there, then stretch out a little bit like this, then hold shift, just hold shift like that. Okay, just put it in the mid like so. Okay, good. So now we have the rectangle right there. Next, what we want to do is we want to place these things right here. So we take the rectangle tool again, create one box like this, like so. Then just going to fill it with black so that it's clear here. Okay. Then we're going to adjust the edges a little bit like this. Don't have the option. Can the toolbar, this one right here, this thing will adjust the page. Just click there. You just do as I did and rotate that a little bit. Right when the lines, the side, just move these lines. Okay. Put these lines right over here. Over here. Okay. I'm going to move this one to here. Over here. Okay. Then take another one over there. This one, bring it right here. Okay. So what's next? We're gonna import this thing from the file. Remember, the file is in the link in the description, so grab it. I'm gonna go to fashion fields. Okay, so here's the PNG. Just gonna put it here. So we're gonna take the shape and then adjust a little bit over there. Adjust it a little bit like that. Okay, then now what you're gonna do is you're going to duplicate this. So you hold Alt on your keyboard, then drag it out of this. Click on the other one too, and drag it out like that too. Click on the fourth one and drag it out like that too. Okay, perfect. So now we have our shapes. Next, what we want to do is, okay, so we're going to first input all the shapes and all these other things before we put the text there. So next we're going to put this rectangle there. So just going to take your rectangle tool, then drag it out like this, stay within the limits of this line of this ruler boundary. Then make this white in color. Okay, perfect. Then just going to increase, okay, the size a little bit until here should be right over. Okay, just stick here. Then remember to hold shift, then you reach the side like this. Then the edges are too sharp, so I'm going to use this thing here. Okay, 11. Let's put on 16. I think 14 is good. Yeah, I think 14 looks great. Okay, then I'm gonna put the stroke. So for the stroke, you can just open your color grids right there. Then go and take this color. Okay, then leave it there. Then increase the stroke to, I think just put it at 4. Yeah, looks good on 4. Now we're going to input this. Now this right here. No. We're gonna put this logo. So this is a logo for the company. So you guys have to create your own logo similar to this thing. You can use AI or you can design it. So I'm just going to hold, since I already have it here, I'm going to take it like this, drag it there, reduce the size. Okay. Alright, take this. I'm going to reduce the size like this, then I'm going to remove the background. Bear with me, it's removing the background. Don't know why my Photoshop is slow today for some reason. Right, so Photoshop has removed the background. So what you're gonna do is gonna adjust it right here. Going to adjust the size. Just going to move this a little bit. No, down, right here. Okay, this is looking good. It's looking great. Then we want to put these boxes here. So grab your rectangle tool again. Create a small box, small cube like this. Okay. Alright. Okay, like that. Then we're going to increase the color. Now we're going to change the color to yellow. This orange yellowish one right here. Right, okay, so guys, just like that. Then back to my selection tool. Alright, then I'm gonna take this cube. Okay, let me just close this. Alright, so I'm gonna take this, just put it this side here, right over here. Just put it, just start below, down below here. Okay. So let me just lock this. Let me lock the background so it doesn't interrupt the process. Okay, it's locked. Alright, so what you're gonna do, we're gonna duplicate this 3 times. Duplicate this again. Right above here. Then just gonna put this right over here. Right underneath this, underneath the eye here. Put this on here too. Space it out a bit. And they are looking to. Okay, put this on here. Okay, perfect. Just like that. Okay, just gonna adjust this one a little bit there. A little bit, yeah. Looks good. Now, since we have this and have that, we're gonna put that line over there. So what you're gonna do is when I grab your ellipse tool here, then you're just gonna draw a little bit like this, just like this. Okay, perfect. Okay, okay, it disappeared. want the color to be white, and just white. Can leave it on white. Don't know why it keeps on disappearing like that. Okay, now why? Okay, ellipse tool. Okay, there it is over there. Here it is. So I'm gonna take it right over here. I'm gonna put it above, just above the rectangle. You can use your buttons to adjust this. Okay. I'm going to change the fill to white. Okay, perfect. Next, what we want to do is now want to add this right here. So again, go in the link in the description and you'll find this there. So I'm gonna take this and then we're gonna put it here. Okay, click on done. Where is it? Okay. If you can't find it like me, you just have to adjust the layers, and there we have it over there. But I'm first going to hide this. I think we'll specifically put these pictures before we put that in position well. So go to the folder, or use any pictures you have in your phone or in your laptop. So for me, I'm going to use these ones. I'm just going to put this right here. Okay, right, shrink it up like this. After I've done that, put it on top of the shape, then go there, right click, then put create clipping mask. If you can see it, what we're going to do is we're going to select that image, then layer, then arrange, bring to the front, then go to the tool, this clipping mask, then bring it on top again, then say create clipping mask, and there we have it. Create clipping mask. Okay, click create clipping mask, and it's inside, but I don't think it's good if we go with this one. Let's go with something else that's different. Use clipping mask, delete the tool, delete the shape, delete that one. Need something more colorful, something with a different background. So I'll go with this t-shirt right here. Okay, just going to adjust this like that. Okay, adjust it like that. Then I'm just going to right click, then say create clipping mask, then increase the size of the t-shirt inside the shape, then adjust a little bit like that. Okay, perfect. Then we're going to do the same for this one. Put it on top. But first, before we do that, let's just click here on the rectangle and just bring it above like this. Bring it above like that. And just bring one of them on top. Okay, the fourth one too. Okay, yeah, like that. Perfect. So take this now, take this and then just delete that, then put it there in the box like that, and then click on it, right click on it, and create clipping mask. Okay, it's not appearing again, so let's just release the clipping mask first. Let's release it, release the clipping mask, put aside. For the shape, go to layer, arrange, bring forward, take that, bring it on top again, and create clipping mask, and there we have it. Do the same thing for this one. Arrange pin to the front, then let's take these okay, let's take this nice one right here, put it on top. Again, reduce the size, reduce the shape, put it inside like that. Just hold shift just to stretch it out a little bit. Put it on top, and right click, create clipping mask. Okay, like that. Nice. Okay, it's looking fresh right there. Let's take the last image. I'm gonna go with this one. Let us go with this one. But first I want to make that let's put at the top. Firstly, I want to remove this flame right here, so I'm just going to double click on it, then grab the brush tool, lock the layer with the brush tool. Going to take this color, this gray, yeah, I think any of them will do. Just going to hide this like that, yeah, like that. Okay, yeah, just like that. Oh, let's make this, yeah, like that. Save. Okay, done. Let's go back like that. Then going to clip it. First, just send this to the front. Align. Bring it to front. Take this shape tool. Like this, like that. Then bring it to the front. And then create clipping mask. Okay. Then adjust a little bit like that. Yeah, perfect. So now we've imported our pictures inside the shapes. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put this, so this is there, so okay, like that. Adjust it. Okay, let's bring this guy lines. Okay, adjust it like this. Supposed to be on top. Bring it on top of the shapes, yeah, like this, so that you can hide that, and then stepping on that right there. Then what we're going to do is when I adjust a little bit, just a little bit, then adjust it like that. Below right there, then increase the size, yeah, like that. Perfect. So right, so okay, done. There we have it there. Now what's next is want to do this thing right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to add a layer on top. Click on the layer, take your brush tool. You're going to increase the size, use the hard round brush, increase the size a little bit to, let's put 108. Yeah, 108, it's perfect. Then another color, going to take this color right here as it is. Then what we're going to do, I want this below this, yeah. Then we're going to create that nice wave like. Okay, so come below here. Okay, move with your brush, that, like that, passing through the neck here. Then comes to the face, and yeah, like that. Just gonna fix this a little bit. Okay, let me just Control Z, bring it a little bit. Let's start again. doesn't be too out like that. Then yeah, okay, perfect. Looks good, looks good. Then we're going to, since we've done that, what next we're gonna do is we're going to now add our texts like this. So okay, all right, so I want to add the text now. Go to your text tool, going to put the text there. We'll start with unisex words. Going to use this font here, Purpose New, use it. So we're going to type unisex words, okay, like that. Okay, reduce the size, reduce the size, and again, reduce the size again. Guys, make sure to watch till the end of the video, and remember to subscribe and like and leave a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that. Okay, right, so alright, so I'm gonna bring this there, right there. Then we're gonna duplicate it here and duplicate it again. Okay, here we're going to input sneakers, then adjust it to the side. Okay. Oh, perfect. Now we're gonna write adult fashion clothes here for adult fashion clothes. Okay, perfect. Just like that. Perfect, just like that. Then we're going to input this one here. So this is one font here, right? This is impact. So let's write this like this. Impact, for impact. Okay, I'm going to search it this side. Okay, properties, then impact, yes, impact regular, that's the one. Then we're going to type in the phone number plus, okay, left and white, then bring it to the front. Okay, I'm gonna put the number right there on the screen. That's my number, by the way, if you want any posted designs. Plus 26378102536. Okay, like that. Okay, like that. Then take my tool, take this, gonna adjust the size a little bit. Adjust the size, then going to bring it here. I think somewhere here. Yeah, somewhere here. Just the size. Let's just put it over here. Yeah, over here. Better. Okay. Then I'm going to duplicate the text again. Hold Alt. Then just drag down like this. Then we're going to input fashion. You're going to input the name of the company you want to make this poster for, or even if it's your clothing brand, you can just put your clothing brand name over there. Then I'm going to drag it again. Going to drag it again to here. Change the color to black. Okay, then going to go to layer here, arrange, send to the front. Suppose we I don't know what's happening, but if we type okay, so just going to duplicate this right here, hold Alt, duplicate it again, then change the color to black. Okay, then layer, then arrange, bring to the front exactly. Then online store, you can say online store, you can put your address or something. If you have an address and you operate in town, put your address there, online store. Okay, and just like that, and put it there, increase the size. You can hold shift to make it free, whether the shift, whether it's control T, shift like that, done. Adjust it a little bit there. Okay, let's put it right here. Okay, then drop Alt again and say pre-order your clothes today. So you can put anything that you want here, you're not limited. Then going to go to properties, then I'm just gonna go with this one right here. I like the font, but you guys can change the font if you want. To this, going to hold shift again just to adjust it right. This, okay, going to adjust this too. Just going to adjust this. Just going to adjust this too. Shift like that and like that. So okay, we got it there. Now we're going to add these icons, so you can go to the folder. I've left the icons there. Right, since I have the prompts here, I'm just going to drag them from the one that I designed before. Come back this side. Okay, just gonna drag it. I'm gonna put it here like that. Okay, perfect. Then going to take the other WhatsApp icons too. Okay, just take this and put it there. Adjust it. Just adjust it. Then bring to front like that. Then adjust like this. Okay. And do the same thing for the YouTube one, the YouTube logo. Put it right here. Okay, just the size a bit. Let's just adjust the size a bit. Okay, let's put this on top right here. Okay, then we're going to duplicate the text again. Okay, then I'm going to write, just leave it as it is. Just reduce the size a little bit. I think that's perfect. put it right over here, duplicate it again, put it this side. And grab this TikTok logo, put it right here. Oh, here it is. Layer, arrange, bring to front. Then going to take it again, bring it here. Okay, perfect. Then I'm going to add this text here, so I'm just gonna go here. That's a handwritten font, so just go to handwritten font, and I think this one's okay. So I'm just gonna write, change the color to orange. We sell. Properties. Okay. Shift V. Sell. Okay. So as you can see, to the back, I'm going to bring it to the front again. There's my text. Layer, arrange, bring to front. It is, we have it right there. Okay, now we're going to just a little bit put it there, and there we have it, guys. So our poster is now complete. So just going to make a few adjustments here and there. Let's start by adjusting this. So just hold shift. Okay, perfect. It's looking good now. Then now I'm going to erase this. I don't like how it was positioned, so I'm just gonna erase it and then add another layer on top. Just add another layer on top. Okay, layer 4, put the top here. No, we need this below here. Then take your brush tool again with the same setting, same color. I think I'm going to specify trace from here. Going to trace from here. Okay, going down. Yeah, like that, like that, like that. Go down. Okay, yeah, perfect. Looks better than the one we had. Alright, so now this shadow effect right here, what you're gonna do is when I add another layer again, the very top, here it is, take your brush tool again, only this time put it on the black color. Okay, let's take it and put on the black color, and then reduce the brush size to big. C to, yeah, 8 is okay. Then just gonna do 2 strokes like this, just 2 strokes like that. Right, then we're going to change the opacity to just the opacity. Oops, no, I made a mistake on the hard. I think the hard, I left the hardness too hard, so Control Z. Okay, take the brush tool again, set it to soft round. Yeah, right, soft round brush. Okay, soft round brush, and yeah, perfect. Do this, just put 2 strokes anywhere you like that. Then I'm gonna reduce the opacity to, yeah, let's leave it at 30% or 20 or 15. Yeah, 15 like that is okay too. But I think 20, yeah, 21%. And there we have it. We have successfully created, or let me say recreated, this poster. Then for those that want to export this, you go to export, then you can export as a PNG. You export it as quickly here. So let's quickly export as a PNG to my computer. Okay, right, Then just say fashion fancy poster, and you click save, and there you have it. You have your nice looking poster here ready to be advertised, and this is high converting. Okay, so guys, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share the video. I really appreciate that.